In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade SmoothMoves from a version 1.x to the new version of 2. First of all, what you want to do is create a brand new project. I wouldn't recommend importing directly into your current existing project because Unity will sometimes mess up the connections between your files. So the best thing to do is create a brand new project. You can see this is empty here. And then from the asset store you would import the SmoothMoves package. I'm going to import it from my file system because I already have it downloaded. So from the asset store, this is what you'd see, the brand new package. If you just want the SmoothMoves and not the game, you would only have this folder checked. If you don't want the game, you can uncheck Rise of the Dough and that will exclude that folder and just have your SmoothMoves package. But I'm going to go ahead and import everything, so we'll click import. So this is going to import all the files into a brand new project, and then what we'll do from there is take the DLLs here and copy them over to our existing project. So the best way to do that is through the file system of your operating system. I'm using Mac OS, but you can do this in Windows as well. So if you expand your new project that you just created, expand the SmoothMoves folder, the editor, and the plugin folder. So this is the files that you're going to copy. And let's say you have an existing project already, you can go ahead and expand those same folders there. And we'll just copy and paste, replacing. And do the same thing with the runtime. So now we've copied these files into our existing project. So now when we go to our existing project, the new files will be here, and hopefully, if everything worked properly, you won't have any missing connections on your scripts. If you try to import directly into your existing project, you'll have some missing mono scripts, which is not good. Now that you have the SmoothMoves files in your current project, the first thing you're going to need to do is rebuild your current project if you're upgrading. So we'll do that by going to the SmoothMoves menu, go to Tools, Control Panel. This is new in version 2, the control panel. It builds everything at design times so that you have less memory usage and faster load up times at runtime. I'm going to go ahead and dock this so that it's always available. It's a good idea for any SmoothMoves project to have this docked and open. For the first thing we're going to do now is rebuild or force build all. Now it's asking if I want to save the current scene. We'll go ahead and say yes. Then it goes through every bone animation, every prefab, and every animation object in the scenes and rebuilds them all. And then it gives you a summary here. So it shows you how many bone animations were created, how many clips were created, how many prefabs were updated, and how many scene and animation objects were updated. So click OK. Now the project should be ready to go. For all future animation updates, anytime you make an update to your animations, if you leave this auto build on, it will automatically build any changes that you make, so you don't have to keep clicking force build. Now if you change scenes or you have animations in other scenes, you might want to click force build just to go ahead and build all of them. And before you build your project for your player, whether that be a mobile device or PC or web, you should click force build to build everything in your project. So that concludes this tutorial.